Before we start, subscribe. These animals should not be alive, yet evolution made them unstoppable. Number 5. Arctic fox. It survives minus 50 degrees Celsius temperatures with the warmest fur of any animal. Number 4. Camel. It can go weeks without water and stores energy in its humps. Number 3. Emperor penguin. They endure Antarctica's brutal winters by huddling to survive deadly winds. Number 2. Naked mole rat. It feels almost no pain and barely ages, like a real-life glitch. Number 1. Wood frog. It literally freezes solid in winter, then thaws back to life.